It works now.
Well, can we keep him?
Showmanship whatsoever. Hugo Gernsback, how may I help you?
She has a pen.
Don't ask me how. These people have developed technologies we haven't even dreamed of yet.
2, 1. The next one is coming. And we'll thin it out so you'll see the next one. When we start to move and it goes like this, she can kind of move.
That's what she's
after
focusing on. Right?
Yeah. You know, where you're looking up. It would be great if we could get it so that you were looking up, coming down, and always moving. Will be now. I would love you guys to light it up a little more so that it's smoking all the way down. Ready and action. And then Rafi, this time I just want you to move your fingers on the steering wheel, just a little tiny.
So you decant it.
Yeah. We like this here because the camera needs to. One thing. Mark.